everyone, Gagajoy's cooking. I'm glad you're with me today. My house smells like bacon already. Every time I've turned on my TV this week to the food channels, it's been cabbage casseroles. And I thought, well, I must have missed the memo about cabbage casseroles. So anyway, I thought I'd make my cabbage casserole. Mine's a little different, of course, which I think is wonderful. We all have different recipes. That's what we're doing on here, sharing them. And also, you make it according to your family. I'm making a small one today because I only have one person coming today, so I'm making a small one. Mine, I use bacon instead of the mayonnaise and cream of chicken. So it's just, that's the difference in it. So anyway, they're both wonderful. And I do cook my cabbage a little bit because I can never get my cabbage done in the casserole. It just seems like it's got that bite to it. And I don't like it real soft, but I do like it done, what I would call done. So I've already done my bacon. I got my grease in my skillet here. We'll just start adding. We'll cook the cabbage a little bit in the bacon grease. I don't like the real dark leaves if I'm cooking a casserole because you never know how tough they are. I did the funniest thing one time. I decided I was going to make cabbage rolls, and I bought more than one head of cabbage, and I kept all the dark green leaves, and I made cabbage rolls with those beautiful, big, beautiful dark green leaves, and they were so tough. There was no way you could eat it. You had to taste it. Of course, I didn't take it anywhere. It's just here at my home. And I did well to get that. You couldn't eat them. Nope. Too tough. So I learned my lesson on that. Just because it's beautiful, don't mean it makes it right. And I made plenty of mistakes when it comes to cooking. I know we all have. This just gives us a good flavoring to this cabbage too. I mean, what's better than a little bacon with cabbage? Not much. Okay, well that's going. We cut my onion up. I just lay it on top, and it cooks. Onion cooks pretty quickly, as you know. But the cabbage, I'm just taking a little bit off. This is the time of year to get onions. You see, begonias, bland, oh so sweet, Walla Wallas. Yep. We love onions. Just put a little bit of salt in there while we're at it. Teaspoon. And just put a teaspoon of pepper. I love pepper too on cabbage. And I had this few little bit of red pepper that I'm going to throw in here. Just for the color. That's the only reason. And it's not hot peppers, they're just little sweet peppers. Sort of brighten it up. Sometimes you need 3 hands. It was just about the right amount for that bowl, wasn't it? put our onions in here. Just lay them on top. I think these were the bland onions, B-L-A-N-D. And they're sweet. No tears in my eyes. So don't waste it. Now, let's do our bacon. Now, instead of the crackers and butter, I'm using just crushed up potato chips. And again, I'm not using cheddar cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese because it's a milder cheese. It doesn't overpower the cabbage. I need a bigger countertop here. I just mix the cheese and the chips together. Just that. It looks good. But it is because I love this particular casserole. There's our casserole. Mash it down a bit. Cabbage, bacon, onions, potato chips, and cheese. That's a good casserole. So, into the oven it goes. 30 minutes, and we're going to have some casserole. Well, I'm just getting the casserole out of the oven. It looks so brown and good. Let's see. And I just left it in half an hour. I put a fork down in the cabbage, and it seemed to me like it was good done. Take a little bite. Wow. Oh, well. See, there's plenty of water in the cabbage, and we can put a bit. Good, 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 good. Yeah, very good. Let's see the onion. In the topping. That's wonderful. If you like cabbage, you're in seventh heaven. This is as good a cabbage as you're ever going to get. It's tender. You can taste the bacon. I'm sorry, I have to always talk to you with my mouth full. Anyway, it's wonderful, so give it a try. It's been a good day. I hope you try the cabbage. It must be Cabbage Casserole week. So you try it too. Anyway, remember the joy this week. A lot of people suffering. Take care of yourself. Ring that bell and subscribe. See you soon.